What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. Just kidding, it's not JPM, it's Elite Sports Cards. It's 1 a.m. Cut me some slack. We're gonna do the randoms for this serial filler. Go live at 12:46. It's 12:46. Got the random here. We got Daryl on top and Hanu on the bottom. Daryl on top, Hanu on the bottom. Guys, top six are gonna win. So we got the Bouncers, FWA, Tourist Sign of the Times, the Grandland Limited Base Auto, the Stall Sign of the Times, Polling FX, and then someone's going to win the insert lot, which is like 50 cards or something like that. So top six are going to win here, and we're going to run the list 3 times. So good luck, everybody. 1, 2, and I'll run this just like a Raz. $12.47, $12.47, and then third and final time, guys. Top six. Daryl, top spot. And Grant, it looks like you're shit out of luck. Sorry, Grant. And Gene. Sorry, Gene. And Hanu. So we got Daryl with the Bouncers, FWA, Redemption, Hodjanowski, you got the Tourist Sign of the Times, Summertop, you got the Grandland Auto, Marty, the Stall Auto, and then Adam, you have the Polling FX and the Insert Lot. Oh, and just forgot about this. $12.48. $12.48. There you guys have it.